Good morning, guys. So this is today we would like to see about the economics questions asked in prelims 2024. So we'll go to study the first question. Let us read the first question. Consider the following statement in respect of digital rupee. It is a sovereign currency issued by Reserve Bank of India in alignment with its monetary policy. It appears as a liability on RBI's balance sheet. It is insured against inflation by its very design. And the fourth point is it is freely convertible against commercial bank money and cash. So we need to find out which are the statements are correct. So either 1 and 2 only, or 1 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, and 1, 2 and 4 only. So we need to find the correct answers. So during December 2022, RBI has introduced, that is this e-rupee. It's also called a digital rupee or central bank digital currency. So it has been introduced as a pilot basis. It is not in a full-fledged manner, but it's in a pilot basis. So RBI has introduced it as in two forms, that is retail CDBC and wholesale CDBC. So retail is for the usage of the common public and CDBC is for transacting between the commercial banks. So what is this rupee and what is its status? So it is a form of digital token that represents a legal tender. So legal tender in the sense it is equivalent to the physical cash we are carrying in our hand. So it is being used in same denominations as the paper currency and coins. So its value is very much equivalent to what we are holding in cash. We are holding the cash in the form of paper, whereas it is in the form of digital token. That's the difference. And it is being distributed through the financial intermediaries, that is banks, and over the time it will be that wallet users also can use the same. Users will be able to transact this e-rupee through a digital wallet offered by the participant banks. Actually, in the first phase, it has given to some SBI, IDFC Bank, and some other banks. These are the participating banks which are having their own apps. Through that apps, we can use this e-rupees. And the e-rupee offers that features of a physical cash like the trust safety and settlement finality. So it won't earn any interest. The cash which are we holding in our hand won't earn any interest until unless it is deposited in some banks or fixed deposit schemes or some funds. Until unless it is with our hand, it won't earn any interest. The point is, it's a very key point. It won't earn any interest. It is just a holding of the money. Okay. So why RBI has to introduce this e-rupee? The first and foremost point is that it has to reduce the dependence on the physical cash and reduce the cost associated with the printing as well as handling, transporting, storage, and once again the collection of the old paper currency which we were not able to in the use and recycling. So that needs some cost. So RBA want to eliminate those costs. And as per the recent scenarios, you might be know there is a bigger push and market for this cryptocurrencies, though it is an unregulated people are ready to invest, but it's a high risk thing. So RBI want to counter the cryptocurrencies usage, so it is using its own digital currencies. And the third point is to facilitate international transaction and settlements. And the fourth point is the important point is to achieve digital inclusion. So it is also an important point. Means in coming stages or coming phases, are we plan to use this digital token without the internet access also. So it is working on that. And as per the RBI's website, uh, what it is saying, the digital rupee or e-rupee is India's central bank digital currency. What it does directly means that it is a sovereign currency. It is a digital form of India's physical currency issued by RBI in a digital form and offers features similar to physical cash like convenience of use, guarantee of RBI, finality of settlement, etc. rupee is stored in user's digital wallet and can be used to receive, send money, and or make payment for transaction just like any physical note. So from the above statements, so we can deduce the following points. It is a sovereign currency issued by RBI in line with its monetary policy and can be converted against any commercial bank's money and cash. So it's similar to a physical cash. Since it is issued by RBI, it means that RBI is guaranteeing the bearer the sum of the amount in the rupee, and the same will be a liability in the balance sheet of RBI. And the third point is it is fungible, and fungible in the sense it is an equivalent to the physical cash, and it is not, and it can be what to say uh, transaction. It can be transacted at any point. And the fourth point is it is not insured against the inflation. So this is the source. So from this point, so we can answer this question. So the answer is uh, a D, that 1, 2 and 4. The third point is it is like a normal physical cash that we are holding, like a 10 rupee we are holding now. After 5 years the value of the 10 rupee may come down. As like that, if you hold a 10 rupee in the form of digital, after 5 years also it will be there as a 10 rupee and the value won't increase. So it is not insured against any inflation. So apart from this point, all the 3 points are correct, and the correct answer is D. Thank you for watching.